Hey boys and girls, today I'm going to teach you how to use PowToon to make your very own animated movies and presentations. The first thing you're going to do is go to powtoon.com and click the upper right hand corner, log in. Once you've typed your name and username and password, you'll click login once more. You can either continue editing a project you've already worked on by going here or create new. Today, we'll create something new together. They've got some awesome ready-made templates based on what type of content you're presenting. Did you read a book about spies? Choose top secret. Are you teaching about the world? Looks like they've already got some animations started for you. Today we'll go down and I'm going to choose this simple book report design. I could click it to get a preview of the animations. I could take a look at their example, and then I can start editing my own by clicking at it. Might take a second to load, but they promise it'll be awesome. If it asks you to upgrade now, just click this X. Alright, now you can see, similar to PowerPoint, you have different slides over on your left, and then your main edit screen right in the center. I can double click and edit right here. So if I'm doing a book project on Hatchet, I can just type in and then click off to the right if I'm done, or I can go up here and do any different text editing, making it larger, smaller, changing the fonts, underlining it, things like that. If I want to move to my next slide, I'll just click over here. And again, I can double click to edit. If I double click, I'm actually editing in this effect, where you also have some things like animations on how your text is going to appear. Okay, so maybe word by word, that's what this effect looks like, or handwriting, writing something out. You could get creative and then click apply. If you want to change transitions, you could go in between the two slides, and if you hover your mouse over the screen, it'll show you the example of that transition. Fan looks cool. I'll double click and it's applied. If you chose a background and you're not really feeling it anymore, feel free to go over here to backgrounds. Change it up. Okay? You're going to want to make your screen look like what you're presenting. So there are some different things you can do with the characters. You'll just turn that on. And you'll be able to include characters that have to do with what you're teaching. Once I clicked on characters, you'll see that this almost movie screen comes up. This is because your PowerPoint screen basically is in motion. It's a video. So just like anything like iMovie, you can move when text appears, and you can insert different characters at different times. So if I wanted to add that guy waving, but I didn't like where he was, I could just click over here and delete. Or I can click on my friend here and it'll show up where he is. And I could switch his position, or I can swap him with a different character. Now she's in my movie. Oops, didn't mean to double click it, so I'll just click her and press delete. So your characters can do cool things for you. There are different actions. Maybe your character isn't a very happy book character, right? If this was a book about Hatchet, Brian's definitely not happy to be stranded. So I can change his emotions. Maybe at another part you're going to show that he was angry and use this angry emotion. Maybe he was thinking of a solution. I can think that. I can show that. On other slides, I might add different objects. A thought bubble for my character that I can again edit. You'll be able to play around with all these features, but the one last thing I did want to show you was the sounds. You're able to record your own voice over the duration of your movie if you want to give us a little bit more information than just the text. Or you can add a soundtrack of pre-uploaded music that PowToon has available. Here you can scroll through and see if anything applies. I'm just hovering my mouse over the screen and scrolling down. I could play a little preview here. Maybe I have a happy story, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to try out something else. Maybe I'm teaching something interesting. I'll use this sound and I'll click apply if I like it. Once I feel like my presentation is ready to go, I can press this preview play button and see what my animations look like. And I can press pause when I want to edit things. When time's up for working or when I'm all done with my presentation, all I have to do is press save right here in the PowToon program. You're not going to have to go to your computer and press File Save and find your name under the drop-down menu because you already have your own PowToon username and login. So that's how we'll save our projects. I hope you enjoy using PowToon as much as I do. I think it's going to be a really fun way for you guys to present. Enjoy!